Today in this video we will learn about how to optimize images used in your WordPress website. If you are using images in your WordPress website and they are of very high size, so first of all you need to check the size of your image by right-clicking over the image and then go to Properties. Now here you will find the size. Now in order to optimize this, log into your WordPress dashboard and then add a new plugin. Here search for SMUSH plugin and install this plugin. Now click over Activate button in order to activate this. Once this plugin is activated, go to Settings section under this plugin. Now here this will ask you for setup. Go to Begin Setup. Now enable Automatically Optimize New Uploads and then click over Next. Similarly, enable Strip My Image Metadata and then go Next. Now finish the setup wizard by clicking over Finish. Once all of the settings are completed, go to Upload Image button. Now select the file from your local PC that you want to optimize. Now once this media file is uploaded successfully, you can use the optimized images under Post. Now create a new post and then click over plus icon to add the images. Now here you need to choose Media Library option instead of uploading a fresh image. Now select the same media file that you uploaded earlier. Now click over Publish button to publish this image. In this way, you can check the file size after publishing by right-clicking over the image and then go to View Image Info. Here, you can see that the optimized size of the image is quite less as compared to the original one.